Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've seen that a lot of you guys don't like the new update, and there is a way that you can get an infinite morph without hacking. I found this with Chris, or he found it all by himself. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see up here, there are no ticks on my morph. I'm not going to turn it off because this is the exact morph that I wanted. But okay, so this is how you do it. So all you have to do is just get in a laggy world. I don't think I'm in a laggy world right now. Okay, this is actually a pretty decently populated world, but you do want to be somewhere with like red or yellow, and there are a lot of people. So you just want to walk around a bunch, change your screen. Of course, it's not going to happen for me, and this could take a while. If you do want to try and control your morph, I would suggest morphing into it and then start walking around, because then you can get it to stay like that for a little bit, and it might stay if you are to go to the map and then go back in. So there is one more method to doing this that I've not tried myself, and that method is like leaving your game for 2 to 3 minutes and then coming back and then going to a different or just going to a different screen, and you should get it. Apparently, I have not tried it. Pris just told me that. So yeah, let me know if that worked. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.